everyone, Moisa here, back with another video, and today we're doing a little bit of a Jisoo inspired eye look with a few implements of my favorite kind of makeup, which is artistic makeup. So if you guys would like to learn how to do this makeup look or just the details on my cheek, get right into the video. Everyone, Moisa here, back with another video, and Luna's at my door, so give me 2 seconds. She didn't even want to come in. Rude. I think she wants to say hi. But anyway, so today we're going to be doing a K-pop fan look. So I will be drawing the fandom heart symbol and the Blackpink light stick, and then doing a makeup look inspired from Jisoo's look in this comeback, because everyone's going to do Jennie, because I already know. And I think Jisoo's look is really cute. So first, we're going to brush out my hair because it's super curly. I've brushed it out every day and it still just keeps going back to these normal waves, and I can't get rid of them. I brushed it out just a little bit. It's still super curly, so we're just gonna leave it. And then I know she has like a headband kind of thing like this. I don't really own headbands, so this is like the best I can do. So let's see. It doesn't go with the color theme, but I tried. Okay, if I do get to edit this photo, I might make this black just so it matches the aesthetic better. But I hope you guys like my attempt. So now I'm just gonna do my normal face routine, like foundation, primer, all the fun stuff. So I don't know if you guys want to watch this, but I'm gonna put in the video anyway. So I've tried to make my eyebrows look a little bit more like Jisoo's, and hers are more square and straight. And now my brows look like really big and really different, and it's weird. Anyway, so now that we have our face set, we're going to go in with the eyeshadow look. And before we do, I do want to say we are doing a giveaway. Dying? Great. So the giveaway that we're doing is a photo card giveaway, and I will be giving it out to just my most interactive subscribers. So from excuse me, the release of my Stray Kids and Wacky Macky reaction all the way to the end of July, we will be doing a giveaway, and all you have to really do is be very interactive in the comments, and if you want extra points, be interactive in my Instagram. So I'm not going to require you guys to be interactive in other content aside from K-pop related, and that's really all you have to do to enter to win. So here's a preview of the gift cards, of the photo cards. So we have a few various groups. Not all of them are here at the moment. I'm still missing some of the bigger groups. I'm missing ATEEZ and Stray Kids at the moment. I'm missing IZ*ONE. I'm missing some extra Twice ones because I'm a big Twice stan. And I don't have a Blackpink one, but I have a Rosé photo card set that will be added to this one. We do have some BTS in there. And I'm giving you guys my Twice bias. And there's Yeri. And yeah, so these are like the ones that I have for right now. Obviously, there's going to be more to be added. And I also have some Blackpink stickers that I'm adding to this. And so if you guys are interested in winning like a free photo card set, all you have to do is be interactive in my K-pop content for the month. But anyway, let's get back into this. And today we're going to be using my Roxy palette for the makeup. Whew. I use this palette every day, so it's a little messy. She's a little used. So Jisoo's look, she has a very orangey color on her lid, and then under her eye it's like a slightly different because it's a little bit of a pink tone. So for this, we're going to be using pumpkin, and we're also going to be using a little bit of firework because that's a nice pink that I like to use often in my makeup. And we're going to be using a fluff brush for this just because hers is very muted. It's not very accentuated, and I want to keep that theme since Jisoo is always very light. And we're just blending that out on the lid just so it creates that light tone like Jisoo's original look. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with my nude palette. I would say the nude palette is a good dupe, just because, okay, it's ugly because I use it often. Just because this center color I would say you can use for your lid, and this pinky color, you can probably mix it with this neutral shade to make it go under your eye, but that's just personal preference. So now I'm just going in with that pink highlighter shade. I never really use it as highlight, but I do use it as shadow. So I'm going to put that under my eye to make the eye a little bit more pink under. I'm a pink kind of girl, what can I say? And then to diffuse it, I'm going to go back in with my fluff brush and just rub it over. Alright, and to complete the eye look, she has a very nice wing. So I'm going to be using a new eyeliner today, so I don't know how well this is going to go. And this eyeliner right here is the Essence eyeliner. And look at this real quick. Like, isn't that so long for an applicator? But anyway. You know, I don't hate this eyeliner. It's actually pretty good. Also, this eye's messed up because I was looking at the camera when I started doing the outer corner of my wing and it was too low, so don't judge that one. Look at this one though. She's kind of cute. Alright, so now I do have some eye gems. I never get to use them unless I'm doing a K-pop look, so I'm going to use them again today. And it came with a 3-pack. There's a rose gold. This is the pure white one that I'm using, and there's also like a pure gold one. But I think Jisoo's is like white. And she used like some of the bigger gems. I could try, but I have hooded eyes, so I don't know how that's going to work out if I use bigger gems. So heavy on my eyes. Weird. Alright, so now we're going to put on a little bit of mascara because my lashes are not popping at the moment. And we're using the Mega Length Wet n Wild mascara. Alright, so now that I have a little bit of mascara on, her lashes are longer than mine. If you can see my lashes, great. Anyway, that is almost the look. Now we have to do our lips. Alright, so I tried to give my lips a little bit less of a pinky, like a muted pink, because hers are more of a very like reddy pink. So this is the best I could get. I don't really have that shade of lipstick in my collection. So if you just came here to see me recreate the Jisoo look, you have reached the end. So what do you think? It's super simple. It's actually not that bad. So now I'm going to draw on my face. So if you guys are interested to see the design at the end of this video, then stick around for that. And for this, I always use my least favorite eyeliner because look at it, it's so thick. This is an e.l.f. eyeliner. It is the eyeliner and shadow stick. I don't really use the shadow. It's a silver. want you all to know this is the third time I've done this little heart look because I've been trying to perfect it, and every video I have that I didn't upload of this look, it's so hard because it was just this cheek and I was struggling to think of what else to do. But since it's in correlation with the Blackpink comeback, now I know what to do for this cheek. So on this cheek we'll be drawing the Blackpink light stick. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the 5th time I'm trying to draw the Blackpink light stick. It's a super difficult thing for me since I'm new to being creative with makeup, so let's hope this one works. Feeling nice, wanna 나 아치가 아야야야 아사사사 두두두두 아사사사 두두두두 아사사. Oma, what's going on? I'ma tell them what to do. You call me Asa, baby, don't you worry. See the moon, no, don't you run. I like it, ha, 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 shut up, don't worry. Blackpink in your area. Alright, so I tried my best. So that is the completed K-pop Jisoo makeup look. Tell me what you all think down below in the comments. Tell me, do you think I did a decent job for my first time ever drawing their light stick? Tell me what you think of the look in its entirety. And yeah, if you guys would like to enter my giveaway, don't forget, all you have to do is be interactive for the month of July. And if you like my videos while you're checking them out throughout the month, please click that subscribe button. 60% of you are not subscribed, and I would love for you all to join my little K-pop family. Anyway, I have class in 10 minutes, so I have to wash these off my cheeks after doing a quick photo shoot with this look and not dying in the process. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Support Blackpink's comeback. Their video reaction should have been right before this one, so you guys are getting a good chunk of Blackpink content for the week, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.